Welcome to our interview preparation series. And today's question is, how do you handle conflict? A thoughtful answer can demonstrate your conflict resolution skills and emotional intelligence. What is the importance of this question? Interviewers ask this question to understand whether you can handle challenging situations, your resolution approach to maintain professional relationships. Let us understand how to answer this question. First, acknowledge that conflict is a normal part of any workplace. This shows you understand the realities of working with others. Next, describe your approach to handling conflict. This can include active listening, empathy, open communication, and seeking a mutually beneficial solution. Then, share a real-life example of a conflict you faced and how you successfully resolved it. This demonstrates your practical experience. Highlight the positive outcomes of your conflict resolution. Show how you turn a challenging situation into a successful result. Do's. Highlight skills like active listening, open communication, calmness, problem solving, negotiation in your answer. Share an example of successful conflict resolution. Don'ts. Never share an example of personal conflict and its resolution. Avoid blaming others. Let's put it all together with an example. I understand that conflict is a part of any workplace. When faced with such situations, I focus on active listening and open communication. For example, during a team project, there was a disagreement between team members about the direction of our strategy. I organized a meeting and provided an opportunity to express thoughts and concerns to each team member. After actively listening to each team member, I was able to find common ground and develop a strategy that everyone supported. This approach led to the successful completion of our project and improved teamwork. And that's it. Remember, acknowledge that conflict is normal, describe your approach, share a real life example, and highlight the positive outcomes. Practicing your response will help you deliver it confidently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below with your own tips or questions. Thank you.